Comment down below which one you guys enjoyed. The pink outer space. Well, this one has two names, pink outer space or bubblegum. Comment down below which one. This one is polka dot, even though it has a lot of black. I like polka dot. This one, I haven't did a name for it yet, but comment down a name for it. Comment down which you want this to be, outer space or bubblegum. This one, comment down below, and this one is polka dot. Hope you guys enjoyed those 3 slimes. Comment down below and thumbs up.